So I had the difficulty with this Maris EOS 10RZ that it was not possible to use the focus for the light anymore. It was very hard to turn, so I tried to disassemble it. I made it already, so right now a few parts are missing because these parts prevent it from an easy opening. I will just show you how to open it until you can remove this part where the mechanism for the zoom is located. Usually this part is much harder to remove, so use a wrench or something, but always with a piece of tissue in between the metal and the tool. So, and it is not really necessary to remove this part, but I will do it to make it completely. So, and this ring here is, in my case, very easy to remove. I have seen videos where it's not that easy. So now it's possible to remove the switch. You can leave this plastic part here. So, and now usually it should be quite easy to remove this. Right now, here are these components missing. These three parts are arranged like that. And what you see here is the ring where magnets are installed, and these magnets, they control the mechanism to move the light forth and back. So what happened here was that there was some water in this area. So, and these magnets, they expanded due to the oxidation, and because of that, this mechanism didn't work properly anymore. So, and this tiny piece of metal is installed at the position where the turn of the zoom has its limits. So this is at some point installed in one of these holes. The exact position has to be figured out when it's reassembled. So to show the mechanism, I'm not sure if it's possible to see it on camera. Yeah. You can see how the LED module moves inside the flashlight. And of course, somehow in a wrong way because I don't have the limits installed. So what I want to try now is to clean each section with these magnets and try to make it movable again.